Welcome. In front of me I have Honor Choice watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, look for the option called display and brightness, and once you find it, select it, and here we have the screen timeout duration. Tap on it. Hello. Sometimes the screen on this watch is not responding too well to input. Okay, and once you tap on screen timeout duration, you will see the list of durations, and we have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and 20 seconds. So select the one you'd like by tapping on it, for example 15 seconds, and then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. So my screen should turn off automatically after 15 seconds of inactivity. So if I want to touch the button or the screen on the watch, it should turn off. The screen should turn off to save the power after 15 seconds, of course. So let's wait. It should be right around now. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.